To recover a Xaman wallet after phone loss, start by remaining calm and acting quickly to minimize potential losses. First, contact your phone provider to report the loss and request a suspension of your service to prevent unauthorized access. Next, visit the Xaman website and log in to your account using a computer or another device. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you may need to use a backup method to access your account. Once logged in, go to the security settings and initiate the wallet recovery process. You will need to provide your recovery phrase or seed phrase, which is a list of words used to restore your wallet. If you do not have your recovery phrase, you may need to contact Xaman support for further assistance. They can guide you through the recovery process and help you regain access to your wallet. It is essential to keep your recovery phrase safe and secure to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. Consider storing it in a secure location, such as a safe or a locked cabinet, and make sure to create a backup copy in case the original is lost or damaged. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication and use a strong password to protect your Xaman account. Regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Xaman support. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can recover your Xaman wallet after phone loss and protect your digital assets. Remember to always prioritize security and take proactive measures to prevent unauthorized access to your wallet. In conclusion, recovering a Xaman wallet after phone loss requires quick action and careful planning. By staying calm, acting quickly, and following the necessary steps, you can minimize potential losses and regain access to your wallet. Always prioritize security and take proactive measures to protect your digital assets.